Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the charging port on the ACER N20C5. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. Having the right tools is crucial for avoiding any damage to your device. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can get your device repaired without hassle. Step 2. Power off the device. Before starting, ensure your ACER N20C5 is completely powered off. This will prevent any electrical hazards during the repair. Step 3. Remove the back cover. Using the plastic prying tool, gently insert it between the back cover and the main body of the device. Carefully work your way around the edges to detach the clips that hold the back cover in place. Make sure to take your time to avoid breaking any clips. Step 4. Disconnect the battery. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery connector. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the battery screws and gently disconnect the battery. This step is essential for safety, as it prevents any accidental short circuits. Step 5. Locate the charging port. Now, find the charging port on the motherboard. It's usually near the bottom edge of the device. Take a moment to assess how it's attached to the motherboard. Step 6. Remove the charging port. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the charging port in place. After unscrewing, carefully disconnect the charging port from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. Be cautious and ensure you don't damage any surrounding components. Step 7. Clean the internal area. Before installing the new charging port, it's a good idea to clean the area. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove dust and debris. This will help ensure a better connection with the new part. Step 8. Install the new charging port. Take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Gently press it into place and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure it's firmly attached to avoid any future issues. Step 9. Reconnect the battery. Now, reconnect the battery by aligning it with its connector and pressing down until it clicks into place. Then, screw it back in securely. Step 10. Replace the back cover. Carefully align the back cover with the main body of the device. Press down along the edges to ensure all clips are securely in place. Step 11. Power on the device. Finally, power on your ACER N20C5 and test the new charging port. If the device charges successfully, congratulations! You've completed the replacement. If at any point you feel unsure about the process, remember we provide professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, if you prefer, we can arrange a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your tech problems. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.